So hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another episode of Daily Good Update where we analyze good in possible intraday entries. If you guys are new to my channel and hearing my voice for the first time, just click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you guys get notified for all my upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's get on the chart, guys. Here we have a daily time frame chart, and as per our expectation, after this breakout structure, we were just waiting for another breakout structure above this high. Now we have a new breakout structure. So after this closing, price have developed a new path which is heading towards 4720. So this will be our next target after some retracement. And as per psychological level trading, now the next target should be above the round number of 5000. So price will slowly go to the upside and test 5000 by intacting this bullish daily structure. So our daily time frame is bullish, and now let's see 4 hour. 4 hour areas are same, and after the breakout structure, price usually go for first mitigation block, then again bounce. After the mitigation block, it tests this area. This is bullish order block. So from these two areas, price will create a new path towards 4700. We have inducement 2, and this has a sweep, so this is a valid order block. This is support area. So wait for this area test, and our first target will be this recently created high around 4630. And if price want to give a liquidity hunt here, it will test this order block here. From here it will just wick down, again close above and move to the upside. So basically daily time frame is bullish, and we should be watching for buy on retracement. Now 4 hour. 4 hour structural area is the same as daily time frame here. And when we have the same structural area, it makes the area much stronger. So this is our first buying POI, and below that this is a maximum wick liquidity area. This one. So it's possible that we see a slow decline towards this zone and pump. For our structural area, first is 4549 to 4531, and second is 4500 to 4494. Why I am marking this area? Because it is aligned with a psychological level of 4500 and a missed structural area. so it can be a strong buy zone for another push. Now let's see 1 hour. In 1 hour time frame, after this breakout structure, price is retracing, and this is also another breakout structure, so we need a 2 candle closing below it, then price will slowly drop, take out this liquidity, test our structural area and pump here. Now let's see 30-minute. In 30-minute time frame, this is a clear breakout structure. See, 1 candle closing above. We need 2 candle closing here, then it is a resistance zone for gold and again drop. So right now structure is low, lower high, again the lower low, lower high and continuation. So we will watch this structure here. Once it get break, price will again pump and test this area around 4620. So watch for this lower low formations, and this is our current structure. This is your market structure shift, breakout structure, this is a retracement, and this is another breakout structure, and this is your structural resistance. So from here price is dropping. Here will be another breakout structure, and this will be your short POI. Here, this full area will be your short POI. 30-minute and 15-minute at the same level. If price pump back again, this area will act as a resistance, and the area is 4597 to 4606. So this is a clear break-off structure. After that we don't have any closing below, but in 5 minutes we have a closing, so it is still a break-off structure. Price pump here, it will be still a short area. Basically price will range today to create a liquidity for CPI, and after that in CPI liquidity will be clear and price will move. Current structure is on downside, and this is a downside trend line which is moving right now. So we will be watching for buy on the drop to our POIs here. See this 2 POI is my buying interest. After the test I will be watching for 5-minute structural area or 5-minute change of character, then I will be watching for buy. This will be all my targets. And remember guys, never FOMO after a bigger time frame breakout structure. Price usually go for a 1 high, then again a breakout structure, then give a massive retracement to our structural areas. If you see this in past PA, you can clearly see this. This was your structural area. After the structural area, price have a multiple breakout structures, but area was pending for test. Price give a massive retracement test of this area and move. Same thing. See this? After the breakout structure, another breakout structure is there, and this area was pending for the test. Price give a massive retracement test of this area and move. So price leave no areas for pending. So we will be watching for this area, and if we don't get test of this area and price just range here and create a bullish structure, I will be buying from here, just having SL below this low. Then I will be following this 1 hour structure. But for that I need a test of this area and change of character in 5-minute time frame. And breakout of this trend line is also good. So from yesterday we are just waiting for this area. People were so getting FOMO that this area will not test, it is going upside, and they're starting buying over here. But remember guys, always wait for retracement. So this is all for gold, and now let's see silver. And as per our yesterday's analysis, silver is also coming for structural areas in daily time frame. We have another breakout structure here. So after the breakout structure, the topmost wick is your buying zone. This one. This full area is your buy zone, and this area is very big, so we will be dividing it in parts. We have high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this is new higher high. So test of this area is buying. We have big FVG here, and as we have discussed, whenever there is FVG, price mostly go for 50% of it and pump back. So where is 50%? Near this area here. So 81.3 will be a good area if we get a test and 5-minute structure change. Then you can buy. Your first target will be this high around 86, then 95. Price will test here and move. Now BTC is still ranging here after having a 1 hour change of character. As I said in free channel yesterday, that price will not go below this green zone if it want to go much higher. So watch for this consolidation here. If we get a candle closing above this high, then price will simply retrace a bit smaller, test this area and pump. Before that, better to wait for this green zone. In 30-minute, actually we have a change of character here. Two candle closing above the previous high. So this is your first buy zone. and this is your second buy zone. From this two zone, you can expect BTC to pump again. First target will be this high, then this one. Possible liquidity hunt here. Liquidity hunt, test of this area, again close above and pump. So be careful here. Ethereum is still below a resistance and keep ranging here. We need flip of this area, then our first target will be this high. In 4 hour, this is a clear resistance. Price is having difficulty in flipping it. It is just ranging here. GBP is bullish. Man, my entry is hit. Okay, so this is a 30-minute time frame entry. This was liquidity test of it, and price can go towards this area. We have change of character here. Price will test here and pump. I don't need this. GBP is bullish. AUD is also bullish. In 1 hour time frame, we have a change of character. After that, this is retracement, again pump. So this area is good for retest here. Euro is still bullish in 1 hour and bearish in 4 hour. In 4 hour, it is continuously making lower lows and lower highs. This area is good to buy, but in 1 hour time frame, it have developed a change of character here. This was our last breakout structure. So this is probably a buy zone. It can target this high. According to 4 hour, it is bearish, but 1 hour is still bullish. So we will be watching for a risky area for buy here. If price hold this one and break out this high, then it will be a confirmed buy towards this high around 1.7. Till this area, euro will be bullish. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand today's plan. We are waiting for CPI, and price will just keep ranging here. Maybe again towards this areas, holding this trend line here and gradually dropping towards our POI. After breaking of this trend line, I will be watching for buy. Possible that after breaking a trend line, price give a massive liquidity hunt, and this area will be my first POI for buy. After that, this one around 4500, and I'm still bullish in gold, and my target is 4700, 4730. This is my current target for gold. This zone. Then there will be a retracement again, maybe a possible consolidation phase After that, there will be another high. So that's it. Hope you guys understand. If you guys have any question, you can ask me. I am going for your comments. I just take a buy from short scalping mark $50 right now. Very good. Super analysis. Very good analysis. Thank you very much, brother. So no questions. VIP प्राइस कितना है आपका? लिंक आपको बाय चैनल फ्री चैनल में डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी, वहाँ पे पूरी प्राइसिंग है. कैन यू गिव अस अ सिग्नल टुडे? I will give you a confirmation when it touch this area and it change a character here. My most of the entries are based on my POIs, guys, and as you have seen that my stop loss are just below my POIs. You can clearly understand that. If I am going for long from here, then my stop loss will be below this. If I am going long from here, my stop loss will be below this. Silver and gold is bullish in short term. Yes, it is bullish. What is POI? POI is point of interest here. Actually, it is called AOI, area of interest, because it is full zone. But I usually use POI. If I am using a single price, it is POI. And if I am using a full zone, it is AOI, area of interest. Are you still trading on this one jam 2RR model? I'm still trading it, but I don't take unnecessary trade on it. I just take a more confirmed trade on that. Are you in sell? No, I am not in sell. I don't sell to buy and I don't buy to sell. If I am bullish, I will be waiting for my structural areas to buy, and if I get a structural confirmation, then I will sell. Before that, I don't sell here. This was just a scalp. When change of character happens in lower time frame, how we know which candle will be marked as a buy in sell zone? Whenever change of character happens, there are some areas from where you can buy. If we are looking to short, scalp would be 4600 a good short entry. Yes, it is good entry. Here it is a resistance zone. You can see this 4597 to 4606. If price tests this area, it is still a bearish sign. Any other questions? Okay, so I'm guessing there are no questions pending now, and we will be ending this session over here. Thank you for joining, guys. See you in the CPI. Until then, keep trading, keep printing, and remember, guys, you don't need to trade news. Wait for news PA to cool down. You don't need to enter in news trade. People always risk their money in news candle and end up losing their portfolios. So wait for news PA to get cool down. It will create PA and develop a price action from where you can enter in long or short position for your targets. CPI is a news. Today we have CPI news to here. If you don't know what this news means, you just click on this folder icon and you can see its effect here. Actual greater than the forecast is good for currency, and a thing news good for USD is usually bad for gold. See this? Today we have it. Maybe in 12 hour. This news is in 12 hour. So that's it, guys. Hope you understand today's plan. See you in the next video. Thank you for joining, guys.